Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all are doing fine. So in this video we are going to study about previous year IIT JEE questions. So let's start with solving previous year IIT JEE questions. Alright, so now let's solve some IIT JEE questions which came in the previous years in IIT JEE. Right. So the first question is, given the family of hyperbola x square by cos square alpha minus y square by sin square alpha equal to where alpha is varying between 0 to pi by 2. Right, then which of the following quantities does not vary with alpha? Alright, so here what is a? If I take x square by a square, so a is cos alpha. What is b? B is sin alpha. So what will be eccentricity? Eccentricity we can find out by using this relation. So this is 1 plus b square by a square. B square by a square is 10 square alpha. This is nothing but sec square alpha. So eccentricity will be sec alpha. If eccentricity is sec alpha, what is the abscissa of foci? Abscissa of foci is nothing but a into e. So a into e will be nothing but cos alpha. A is cos alpha, e is sec alpha. So a into e will be 1, right? Which is nothing but constant, which does not depend on alpha, right? So this will be the answer, right? A into e does not vary with alpha. So answer will be option A. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. A line 2x plus root 6y is a tangent to this curve, the point of contact. You have to find out the point of contact, right? So if I want to find out the point of contact, this is the curve x square minus 2y square equal to 4. Now let me write down the equation of tangent in point form. This is equal to 4. I will just make the replacements, right? So this is the equation of tangent in point form. Now the given equation of tangent is this, and both the equations are same only, right? Both the lines should coincide because this is the given one and this is the equation of tangent in point form. So both should coincide. So if I will just compare this two equation, x1 by 2, this will be equal to, so the ratios will be same, right? So from here I will directly get x1 equal to 4 and y1 equal to minus of root 6. Okay, so option A will be the answer. Okay, so just write down the equation of tangent in slope form, in point form by comparing, by replacements, and then compare it with the given equation. Okay. Now let us do this. Suppose I have a point P, right? Point P be the point on this hyperbola. If the normal at the point P intersects at 9, 0, then the eccentricity of the ellipse. So you have to find out the eccentricity of the ellipse if normal at this point. So first of all, let me write down the normal at point P. So what will be the equation of normal at point P? A square x by 6 plus b square y by 3. This is equal to a square e square. This is the equation of normal at point P. Right. Now it intersects the x-axis at 9, 0. Right. Now if this intersects the x-axis at 9, 0, that means 9, 0 will pass through this equation. Will pass through this line. Right. If 9, 0 pass through this line, it will satisfy. So put y equal to 0 and x equal to 9. So I will get this 9 a square by 6 equal to a square e square. So a square will get cancelled. So from here e square equal to 9 by 6, which is 3 by 2. Okay, so C will be the answer. And this question came in JEE 2011, right? So easy questions come in IIT JEE, right? All these are easy questions. Let the eccentricity of hyperbola this be the reciprocal to that of the ellipse. Alright. So eccentricity of hyperbola is reciprocal to this ellipse. So let me write down this ellipse in standard form. Y square by 1 equal to 1. Right, this is the equation of ellipse in standard form. So what is the eccentricity of ellipse? Eccentricity of ellipse is 1 minus 1 by 4 and under root. So this is nothing but root 3 by 2. So what will be eccentricity of hyperbola? Reciprocal of this. Right, so this will be 2 by root 3. Right, and if the hyperbola passes through the focus of the ellipse. So what are the focus of ellipse? A, 0. So this is E and this is A. A is 2. So A, 0 will be plus minus root 3, 0. This will be the foci. These are the foci of ellipse, and this foci of ellipse passes through the hyperbola. Alright. So if I suppose the equation of hyperbola as x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, the standard equation of hyperbola, right? Then plus minus root 3, 0 passes through this hyperbola. Alright. So I will put x equal to plus minus root 3. So I will get 3 by a square equal to 1 and y equal to 0, right? So from here I will get a square equal to 3. And also I have another equation, that is eccentricity of hyperbola is 2 by root 3. Okay, so from here I can say that eccentricity of hyperbola whole square will be 1 plus b square by a square. Okay, relation between A, B and E. So this is 4 by 3 equal to 1 plus B square by A square. So from here I will get 1 by 3 equal to B square by A square. So this implies A square equal to 3B square. Now if A square is equal to 3B square, A square is 3. So B square will be 1. So equation of hyperbola will be A square by 3, x square by 3 minus y square by 1. This is equal to 1. Okay. So if I simplify this further, x square minus 3y square equal to 3. This will be the equation of our required hyperbola, right? So which is the correct option? The correct option will be D, right? So this cannot be correct option. Eccentricity of hyperbola, this is also not correct. And the focus of the hyperbola also, if you find out the focus of this hyperbola, finding out, right, then you will get 2, 0 only. So this was a multiple choice question that came, and the answer for this will be B and D, right? So once you get the equation, then you can find out all other things, eccentricity, then equation, focus, everything. Okay, and you can check the options which are correct. This question came in 2011. Okay, let us see one more question, that is tangents are drawn to the hyperbola. This hyperbola equation is given parallel to the straight line, this line, right? So if tangents are drawn parallel, right, so what will be the slope of tangent? This is 2x minus 1 equal to y. So slope of tangent will be nothing but 2. Slope will be 2, right? So can I write down the equation of tangent? Y equal to mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square by using slope form, right? So y equal to mx. So m is 2x plus minus a square is 9 and m square is 4 minus b square is 4. So from here you will get equation of tangent. So this will be 36 minus 4, so 32. Right. So what is m? M is 2. What is c? C is plus minus root of 32. Okay. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the point of contacts of the tangents on the hyperbola. So if this is the equation of tangent in slope form, what are the point of contacts? You can remember this also. Point of contacts are a square m by c and minus b square by c. Now there are two values of c, right? Plus and minus. Okay. So if I put all the values c, I know a square, I know m, I know c, I know b and I know c. Right. So I know all the values, so I can find out the point of contacts just by putting all these values. Right. So if I put all these values, c is, I have two values for c, right? Plus and minus. So I will get two options correct, right? If you solve it, you will get a and b will be the correct option. And this question came in JEE 2012. Okay. So we have seen that questions of JEE are much simpler, right? Very easy questions come in IIT JEE exams, right? Only a little bit of concept is required. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed solving IIT JEE questions with me. If you have any doubts, then you can log into www.askIITians.com and then you can click on the discussion board, which will redirect you to this page where you can see Ask Expert on the right hand side. From here you can select the category of the question and you can post your question here for free, and the experts at askIITians will answer your question within 24 to 48 hours. Hello students, so we have seen that IIT JEE questions are also not too difficult. So only thing is we should be clear with the basic concepts. So in this video we have gone through the basic definition of hyperbola, and then I also told you about rectangular hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola. I have also told you about how to find out various coordinates if center is not at origin, and also I have told you about equation of tangents in various forms, and also I have told you about equation of pair of tangents and chord of contacts. And in the third video we have seen how to write down equation of normal, and we have also seen properties of hyperbola, and at last we have solved some previous year JEE questions. So more videos are also coming up on askIITians.com, so please watch for more videos on physics, chemistry and maths. Please stay tuned to askIITians.com. So have a good day. Thank you.